Hello, what's up, guys? It's your boy, Curly Head Brandon. What's good, Curly Head Gang? And today, guys, I'm gonna be teaching you
Yo,
guys how to. Hold on. Sorry, I'm playing Fortnite in the background, but just ignore the fact that I have no shirt on. I just came back from the shower and I don't feel like putting a shirt on. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to grow your hair out really long and fast. And yes, guys, everything that I'm telling you in this video, it has worked for me, and I've grown my hair a lot. And yes, guys, I've literally grew my hair like a couple centimeters, actually almost an inch, in maybe about 1 month or 2 months by doing these exact steps. So basically, the first thing that you guys are gonna need is some biotin, bro. This is literally like, oh my gosh, you need 10,000 mcg. You take 3 of these a day. Small soft gel pills, super easy. Just ask your parents if you can take it. Trust me, it's 100% natural, so it's very safe. It's not no steroids or anything. It's natural, just has vitamins in it, so that will help you grow your hair. Now, me taking these biotin pills definitely helped me in my hair growth journey. Like, I've grew my hair a lot, mostly from taking these biotin pills. Like, yeah, like, kind of mostly like if you really use these biotin pills, it will definitely boost your your speeds of your hair growing. Like, your hair will naturally grow, but it's gonna be growing at a slow rate. These biotin pills will definitely like boost up your hair growth speed rate, and it's 100% safe. Now, you can't just let your hair grow and then just take biotin pills and thinking, okay, it's gonna grow. Your hair will grow, but you want your hair to grow healthy, guys. You don't want your hair to be growing and letting it be, you don't want your hair to grow damaged and not healthy, because then it's just pointless. Like, you want to have nice, whatever, you guys get what I'm thinking. You want some nice, healthy hair, guys. So basically, what you're also going to be needing to do, just letting your hair grow naturally and taking these biotin pills, is you're going to need to do more steps in your routine of taking care of your hair. So basically, guys, sorry. Basically, guys, you need to stop using shampoo products. I mean, you can use shampoo, but when you do use shampoo, use Cantu shampoo. Why do not use generic popular shampoo like Pantene or like Axe? Why for your hair is because it has sulfates in it, and sulfate is a very deadly it's not a deadly chemical. It's just a very not good chemical for your hair, which literally damages your hair and stops your hair from growing. So you can't take shampoo. You can use shampoo in your hair, but make sure you guys use Cantu products, to keep your hair natural and healthy and let it grow. So basically, and the next thing is not getting a lot of haircuts. Like, as you guys see, I usually get fit. Like, I have a high top. My hair, I have not gotten a haircut. Like, the only thing I've really gotten like a haircut is just a lineup. So yeah, I've really just got a lineup. The reason why, because they finish the haircut, they use that spray, that alcohol, which stunts your hair growth, and that's actually really not good for your hair. And also is getting trims. So every time you go to the barber, I say get a trim every 3 months. So you go to the barber, you don't like literally cut your whole hair off. You just you say, okay, just ease up on the top, so they get the little raise, and they trim the top for split ends, and that will definitely like boost your hair growth rate. I haven't trimmed in a while, which I need to. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, that's basically it, guys. Taking biotin. Don't wet your hair. Only wet your hair twice a week, because if you wet your hair too much, you're gonna strip all the natural oils in your hair, which keep it from growing. Keep it growing. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy this. I'm out. See you guys, Curly Head Gang. Deuces. See how this is. Look at these muscles, bro. Oh my. Deuces.